Where could I be? That looks pretty exclusive. Look at that. More amazingly high-end places. Another cool job. Phase number 2 for this project. Expanding more of the lighting. They're doing shades everywhere. More control. We upgraded the TV. We had one of those manual ones that went from landscape to portrait and into art mode. You know, customer wanted to save some money, and we did, made it manual. They fell in love with it and said, hey, I want this automatic now. And we have now got them the automated feature automation one. It'll be on a button, it'll just do its little magic, and away it will go. Ooh, this site is going to be a beat. Catch you at the next monster.